All the applications and softwares download links provided by Zonut Solutions are only for the students or for the purpose of learning. Using these applications or softwares in your production can cause your business in danger. I was installing MikroTik 5.20 on my VMware workstation and I ran into this issue. If you're also facing this issue installing your MikroTik on your VMware, I got you. Without wasting the time, let's move to the solution. First of all, go to the virtual machine settings, find the hard drive and CD DVD-ROM. Once you found those, check are they set on SATA? If yes, then first change them to IDE. And then click on the next tab, that is Options, and make sure the operating system is checked on others and the version is also set on others. It should look something like this. Let's wait a couple seconds and see how it goes. There you go. Now you can see it went ahead without showing any kind of errors. It was that easy. If you liked the video, please click on like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.